Welcome to Slowpoke Travel. I'm Buck.
I'm Camera Girl.
And this is our travel website. We are semi-middle-aged people figuring things out, traveling and working on the road, seeing what works for us, and we're going to show you that to you.
Yeah.
And maybe some things won't work for us.
Oh, some things already haven't worked for
What
us.
hasn't worked?
But you can
Everything's worked so far.
But you can have very different styles and travel and still enjoy just exploring new places. If you're curious at any age and interested in travel, ding,
Ding.
we might have a few morsels for you.
Yeah, this is going to be like Green Acres with Eddie Albert and Zsa Zsa Gabor. Was it Zsa Zsa Gabor? One of the Gabors.
Yeah, I think it was.
But anyway, except for Eddie Albert was a farmer who liked to work, and I don't like to work. And Zsa Zsa Gabor came from a wealthy family, and Lisa's family,
Oh my God.
I mean, they're not, I mean, they do okay. But that's a different subject. I mean, her family tries hard. But if you are a traveler at heart or
Just curious.
Then you're average. But watch our stuff.